Hello, this is a demo of how you can use the site to upload site photos of your construction site and then view it on our Displays platform. So without further ado, let's get started. In your channel, whether it's on the web version or it's in your cell phone app, you can see on the home page a tile. It's called Upload Site Photos. You can click it and it will take you to a very simple form like this one. In the first view, you can just choose your project. For the testing purposes and demo purposes, we'll choose this one, the KFC restaurant refurbishment. And then you'll be able to choose your location breakdown structure, which will be pulled from your Displays platform company workspace. Let's just choose this one here, building exterior, and then click on Add Photos. Click on Choose to attach the file. You can click on Add Image to choose multiple different files, but in this case, I'm going to demonstrate uploading just one. You can click on any of the photo type that matches the image you just attached. Here, let's just click on Completion, Handover, and Finishes. At location, I'm just going to choose a level 1. And then I'll click on Submit. When you see this page, that means your submission is successful. And now let's see how we can view it on the horizon. Head to the documentation section and click on Site Photos. Refresh the page and you will be able to see the picture we just uploaded here in all photos. You'll be able to assign them into different albums, but you need to create albums first. Click here to create album. Let's just call it KFC or click on create. Back to all photos. Click on these two photos. Add to album KFC front door. Choose this one. Click on add. This notification right here will show that it has been completed, and then you can click on albums. Click on this one, and it will contain all the files that's in this album. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.